Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have a snow foam bottle. This one will fit the Nilfisk Alto Kew domestic pressure washers. So that's the Nilfisk bayonet connector, which allows you to push and twist into the Nilfisk trigger gun. It's a 700ml snow foam bottle. So you fill up the tank bottle with detergent, push the detergent pipe back in, connect it onto your pressure washer, and this particular one has a variable nozzle on the end, so you can actually twist the end of the nozzle, which allows you to throw a needle jet or a directional nozzle of foam onto the vehicle, or indeed you can twist it and have a very wide fan of snow foam going onto your vehicle. The yellow knob on the top allows you to vary the volume of foam going through the unit as well, and that's the Nilfisk 700ml snow foam bottle.